Foundation of like a building, like it's the cornerstone, the pillar. So without it, you cannot build something. The cornerstone is like my foundation, like my struggle, my hard works to get where I came to where I am now. That's the cornerstone. And this is what we're gonna be shooting today. Setup, sweatshirt, hoodie, sweatpants, and sweat shorts. Are you done? Good? This one. So basically, it's a different vibe every shoot. Core Collective Collection. So the collection means collective group of people who gave their ideas to create the collection. So that's why it's called Core. So it's the core of the group, the brand. So few more shots. Okay, go sideways. Put your hands in the pocket. Patalikod mo nga. Yun na, ganito. Alright. A cornerstone. It's me. I'm gonna tag myself. I-repeat ko lang to. In the first phase of your doing a brand, it's also the selling, because a lot of your friends will say that they will buy your clothes when you drop this. Then the drop day comes, 1 out of 15 people only buy. So most of your customers comes from stranger people, not from your family or your friends. And also the marketing. No matter how great is your product, if you don't do the marketing right, you're not gonna sell. They're dropping anything they want right now. A plastic bag worth 3,500, right? So you can lean your head onto him, something like that, and then just fiercely look in the camera. Can you try this one? Sabi sa'yo, di ba? Hindi na kailangan turuan mo yan, men. Yan yung binabayaran mo sa kanila, di ba? Lean your head to number 3. Si Darren. Ikaw lang. Sige, taga-video ka, Darren. Tutok mo sa babae. Uy, ganda. Malagbag. We're on our 4th look. Nagbi-video lang si Jade for the campaign video. And then nag-wait si Kate.
Hi, hello.
Then meron kami dito pang web store shoot namin. Dito yung catalog shoot. Dito yung campaign shoot and creative. Marami pa yan. Tulog na. 6.3 ba tayo kanina? Kasi it's so slow.
Yeah,
so, sa labasan. Sa may... Bagay, oh. So nice. Ay, brown na siya ngayon eh. Yung isa cloud. Okay guys, we're on our 5th look. Tapos na tayo sa sweatpants and hoodie. And ngayon, ano tayo? Sweatshirt and sweatshirt. Look, tingnan yung fit. Ganda, no? Bagay na bagay sa kanya. So ito, supposed to be talaga maikli siya para, alam mo yun, it's a mix of summer and fall or winter. Kasi ito, lightweight naman. Pwede mo siyang suotin talaga anywhere. How does it feel, the clothes?
Feel comfortable, fit, oversized.
Very lightweight, right?
Good material too. Nice.
Good material daw, oh. Kita mo na naman, ha? So, yan. Shoot lang kami ulit nito. May 4 na kulay lang to kasi wala yung ano. Wala tong ano, di ba? Yung cream, di ba? Okay. Dito tayo. White background. Let's go. Dito na tayo sa sweatshirt natin. Hindi mo na sabihin, oh, gawin mo to. Di ba? Naka-automatic eh, no? Ganda sa kanya ng fit. Stop tayo mukha. The main problem with selling international is the shipping cost. It's up to the buyer if they will shoulder the shipping fee because it's much higher than shipping it nationally. Ganda, oh. Pakita mo. Ganda ng shot, guys, oh. Damn. Yun dapat. Grabe, walang hinig, no? Walang hinig si Boss Jade. Parang babalik-bagin ni Jade to. Set up na live doon. Type sheet. Ayusin niya na. Okay, guys. Creative shot tayo. Ganito pa, no? Yan, oh. Okay. Yan. Okay, so basically we're done. We're just waiting for your snacks to arrive. And then, so this is for you. My gift for you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's a pants from our brand. Thank you. Thank you. So you can check it out. Yeah.
Unpacking.
Thank you, guys. Yep. Okay, guys. It's a wrap. What do you think about the clothes that we shoot today?
It's really comfortable, and if you want to go outside, you can enjoy, like, be flexible. How to say? Yeah.
Comfortable.
Yeah, like, comfortable. Yes. Yeah.
How about you? How about the clothes that you
Good
shoot?
design, good material, so you get hot too. So it's perfect. Good material.
You know it. www.cornerstone-official.com. What is up, guys? Tapos na yung shoot. Nag-uwian na yung mga tao. Kami na lang ng videographer natin, si Jade, yung natira dito sa studio. Dami nangyari kanina. Di ko alam kung gaano karaming clip yung may isasama dito sa vlog na to. Pero mostly, kami halos dalawa ni Jade yung bumanat ng shoot. From the photos and videos. Si Jade sa videos, ako sa photos. And sobrang ganda ng mga naging result ng photos. Sobrang happy ko dun sa shoot kanina. Hopefully, madami na mapasok dito sa clip na to para makita nyo yung process kung paano mag-shoot ng campaign from a smaller to medium team na meron kami ngayon. And eto, nag-vlog lang para magkaroon ng outro. Yun lang naman talaga to. Yun, grateful ako sa team and sa mga models and then sa vision na binibigay ng team and tiwala sa palagi dito sa brand. Sa hard works nila. Gagalingan pa namin lagi dito sa Cornerstone. Papunta na kami dyan. Kita-kits.